Welcome to the Manage to Lead Executive Alignment System for Operations and Governance. Manage to Lead teams lead ongoing organizations and initiatives for breakthrough performance and growth. Each leadership team uses MTL to assess where they stand, align on what matters most, and decide, launch, and guide actions that move them toward their goal. We begin in the MTL Intellivan Operations Advisor, or IVOA, sandbox. The team aligns on its mandate, what they will achieve, by when, and how it will guide the work. IVOA provides clarity and specificity feedback, highlights similarities and differences, and recommends a consolidated upgrade to advance their thinking. Next, the team uses the sandbox to align on what they provide, to whom, and why they are chosen. IVOA highlights differences in how team members describe their organization, suggests sharper wording, and helps the group converge on one clear, shared definition. Teams then use the IVOA Change Framework tool to tell where they are now in relation to their mandate and what must be done to get to where they want to be next. IVOA assesses their input to generate creative, practical, and often unexpected ideas the team likely would never have considered. Teams go on to use other MTL tools like Do Sell Grow process charts, dashboards, and leadership support, among others, to get clear about what they will do next, aligned on who will do what, and set to provide ongoing guidance, support, and governance. MTL stores team outputs curated by the content steward to share their work with other teams from a central hub. It enables seamless cross-team visibility and collaboration, fostering a more connected and informed workforce. The repository supports ongoing learning and synergy, enabling continuous improvement and innovation across the enterprise. Visit Intellivan.com to learn more about how the Manage to Lead system can elevate your leadership teams, and contact Peter D. at Intellivan.com to schedule a demonstration or workshop.